This video demonstrates exporting a project study area from the Statewide database. When you're beginning a new project involving simulation, exporting your project study area from the Statewide database for the existing conditions scenario should be the first option to rule out as a possibility. The network includes freeways within the state of Ohio, and within the major metro areas as shown here, U.S. highways and state roads, and in some areas local roads as well. The idea is that if your project involves any freeway corridors or is within a major metropolitan area, you should only need to spend very little, if any, time and effort with the road editing process for the existing condition scenarios and allow you to get a head start on the project timeline. The network itself was developed by Caliper as a courtesy for anyone with an active TransModeler license in the state of Ohio and is available to download upon request from ODOT. As you can see, the file itself is quite large, so please keep that in mind when downloading it. Normally, TransModeler SE is limited in terms of the project size to networks with no more than 100 links and 20 intersections. However, as of some of the more recent builds of TransModeler version 5.0, networks of any size can be open, viewed, and have selection sets exported, which is what we'll go over here. Lastly, if you encounter any issues using this network or find that there's missing areas that would help get you started on your project faster, please go to Help, Technical Support on the Web, and you'll see this page pop up with all of your information automatically filled out. Now we'll go to Selection Toolbar, make sure Links is the working layer, and select Create New Selection, and we can call this Study Area Export. It can be named anything. And then any of these tools, whichever is best fit for the network you're trying to export. This is select by rectangle, so we're just going to click and drag and try to encompass most of the network. And the idea is we just don't want to exceed 100 links, so that looks like it covers enough of our network. And we're under the limit, so now we'll go to File, Export, choose the name of the selection set that we just created and added records to, and we want to export this to Simulation Database. All the other inputs are okay as they are. Select OK. And you can save this file anywhere where you'll remember to come back to it. We'll just create a subfolder within the project directory called Export. And we'll just call this State Road 315 Study Area. Exit and save, and then wherever you just saved the exported selection set of links, grab the database file and you can just drag it right onto the screen, And when prompted to open the simulation database as a new simulation project, just click yes. And then you're ready to begin the project.